Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Viper. Before you even think about starting the engine, take a moment to get acquainted with the cockpit. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel until you feel completely comfortable and have a clear view. Always check your fluid levels and tire pressure. This powerful machine demands respect and proper preparation. Ensuring everything is set up correctly is crucial for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Once you are settled, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot and ensure the gear shifter is in neutral. Now, turn the key to awaken the legendary V10 engine. You will hear its distinctive roar. With the clutch still down, gently guide the shifter into first gear. You should feel a satisfying click as it engages. This initial step sets the stage for an exhilarating drive. As you begin to move, the key is smooth coordination between the clutch and throttle. Practice releasing the clutch slowly while simultaneously applying a steady, gentle pressure to the accelerator. This technique prevents stalling and ensures a seamless transition through the gears. Anticipate your shifts, allowing the engine to build power without over-revving. Mastering this will make your Viper driving experience truly rewarding. When it's time to slow down, apply the brakes smoothly and progressively. Remember, the Viper has immense stopping power, so a gentle touch is often all that is needed. For corners, reduce your speed before entering the turn, then gently accelerate as you exit. Keep a firm, two-handed grip on the steering wheel at all times. This approach ensures maximum control and safety, letting you fully enjoy the Viper's incredible handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.